Imagine having a literal off switch for stress. No pills, no yoga retreats, just built-in biological chill mode. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, surprise, you've had one this whole time. Meet your vagus nerve, the body's hidden master switch that can calm anxiety, crush inflammation, and reboot your energy like flipping a breaker. And today, I'm going to show you how to flip it. Meet your chill-out nerve. The vagus nerve isn't some obscure organ. It's one of the most powerful nerves in your entire body. The word vagus literally means wandering in Latin, and that's exactly what it does. It starts in your brainstem and wanders all over, to your heart, your lungs, your gut, even your vocal cords. It's like your body's control cable, constantly sending information back and forth between your brain and your major organs. But here's the wild part. It's also your personal stress shutoff switch. How the vagus nerve controls stress. When you're anxious, stressed, or overwhelmed, your body flips into fight or flight mode. Heart races, breathing gets shallow, muscles tense, brain fog sets in. The vagus nerve does the exact opposite. When activated, it triggers the parasympathetic nervous system, aka rest and digest mode. It slows your heart rate, calms your breathing, lowers cortisol, and brings your system back to balance. Think of it like your internal brakes when life's moving too fast. The vagus inflammation connection. But it doesn't stop at stress. Activating your vagus nerve also helps control chronic inflammation, which is behind everything from fatigue to gut issues, autoimmune disease, and even brain fog. Here's the simple version. Chronic stress keeps your immune system stuck in high gear. That overdrive leads to low-grade, full-body inflammation. The vagus nerve signals your immune system to chill out. In other words, more vagus activation, less inflammation, better energy, better mood, better overall health. Symptoms of a weak vagus nerve. How do you know if your vagus nerve is struggling? Look for these signs: anxiety or panic attacks, digestive issues like IBS or bloating, chronic fatigue, brain fog, heart palpitations, poor stress tolerance, low HRV, heart rate variability. If that list feels way too familiar, congratulations, you're not broken. Your vagus nerve is just undertrained, and we can fix that. Vagus nerve activation tricks. Here's where the fun starts. You don't need expensive gadgets or complicated biohacks to stimulate your vagus nerve. Your body actually responds to simple daily habits that turn this nerve back on. Let's run through the vagus nerve reset protocol. Number 1. Deep belly breathing. Your vagus nerve responds directly to your breath. Inhale deeply into your belly for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale slowly for 6 to 8 seconds. Long, slow exhales trigger the vagus nerve to send calming signals to your heart and brain. Do this for just 2 to 3 minutes, and you'll feel your body start to relax almost instantly. Number 2. Cold exposure. Yep, cold water activates your vagus nerve by stimulating the diving reflex. Splash cold water on your face. Take cold showers or end your warm shower with 30 seconds cold. Apply an ice pack to your neck or chest for a few minutes. Cold activates your parasympathetic system, helping your reset stress response, while also boosting circulation and mental clarity. Number 3. Humming, singing, and gargling. The vas nerve controls your vocal cords and throat muscles. Hum or chant daily. Sing out loud. Bad singing still counts. Gargle water vigorously for 30 seconds. The vibrations physically stimulate the nerve, keeping it toned and responsive. Yes, karaoke night might actually be medicine. Number 4. Movement and stretching. Light physical activity improves vagal tone. Walking, yoga, stretching, dancing, even bouncing on a mini trampoline. Moving your body tells your nervous system that you're safe, promoting balance between stress and recovery. Number 5. Mindful nutrition. A gut-friendly diet also supports vagus nerve function. Bone broth, omega-3s, salmon, sardines, chia seeds, fermented foods, sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, magnesium-rich foods, spinach, pumpkin seeds. Your gut and brain are tightly connected. Feed one, and you help both. 6. Sleep like a warrior. Sleep is the foundation for vagal recovery. Stick to consistent sleep-wake times. Sleep in a cool, dark room. Avoid screens for 60 minutes before bed. Try breathwork before sleep to engage the vagus nerve. Better sleep, stronger vagal tone, better recovery. Bonus: the polyvagal secret weapon. If you really want to geek out, research shows that improving HRV, heart rate variability, is a key sign your vagus nerve is functioning well. The higher your HRV, the better your resilience to stress and inflammation. Tools like heart rate monitors, wearables, or even simple breathwork practice can help you track your progress. The upgrade feels like this. When your vagus nerve wakes back up, your mood stabilizes, your digestion improves, anxiety levels drop. You feel more calm under pressure. You bounce back from stress faster. Your body stays in balance instead of chaos. This isn't magic, it's biology done right. You've had the power to flip your stress switch off this whole time. It just needed a little rewiring. Like this video if your stress levels have been through the roof lately. Drop a DZ in the comments if you're ready to flip your vagus switch. And don't forget to subscribe for more wild, science-backed health hacks right here on Health and Wellness Slingshot.